Hello, fantastic first graders. If you did not get a chance to visit us today for our class time, or you just want to rewatch the video and what we did and have a review of what we did, this is your daily recap. So, the first thing we did, we always start in our Google Classroom, and you joined your link and you met with us today if you were here. If you did not, you're going to go to classwork. Remember, we always go to classwork. That's where our stuff is. We're on Wednesday, which is the school bus. And you're going to go to Google Slides. When you get to Google Slides, here is what we did today. Today is your music day. We had our morning meeting. In reading, we practiced the letter C, which makes a k sound, like cat, cow, camel, car. Can you think of words that begin with C? K. We also practiced the letter F, like fish, fall, funny. Can you think of words that begin with letter F? We also read this book, Look. Look. It is in your materials. Maybe you could read this book 3 times to either your learning buddy, brother, sister, mom, or dad. That would be great. We did number corner, and we realized that today is the 9th day of school. And we thought that maybe it was foggy outside for our weather. I don't know. We'll have to see. Today is September 16th, 2020. Great job, you guys. For math today, we looked at a 10 frame. Here is our 10 frame. If you click right here, it's going to take you to a 10 frame. And we did this page, which is in your materials, where you have to figure out if you have on top, we had 9 ladybugs on top. So I'm going to move 9 ladybugs. How many more do I need to move to make 10? 1. Very good. If I have 8 ladybugs on top, how many more to make 10? Right, 2 more to make 10. So if you could finish that page, that would be great. We practiced a lot with our number rack. We also practiced making 5 using the top and the bottom. If I have 3 on top, how many more do I need down here to make 5? 2 more. What are some other ways that you could make 5? So that was our number rack. Like I said, the number rack is on your agenda, on your Bitmoji classroom. That was your math for the day. We also practiced making tallies. When we make tallies, tallies are like sticks. And we use them when we play games, or we use them when I use them when we do our Wolfie and our turtle charts. So when we make tallies, a tally is just a mark, but tallies are in groups of 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shuts the door. So our 5th tally is always closing the other ones up with a diagonal line. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shuts the door. Okay. Do you think you could practice making tallies? Can you show me how you make tallies? For science, we talked about living and non-living organisms. A living organism breathes, grows, and changes. We know it's a living organism if it breathes, grows, and changes. A butterfly changes. It goes from a caterpillar to a chrysalis to a butterfly. A tree grows. And you grow, you change, and you breathe. Can you find some living organisms around your house? What about a non-living organism? Can you find a non-living organism around your house? What are some examples? Let me know. So up here, today is your music day. If you click there, you can go see Mr. Hart. Right here is your letter C. You're going to click on that. And it's going to take you to your letter C activity. You're going to listen to the song. And you are going to do the activity. Circle all the words with the letter C. Your next one is your fill in the 10 frame. You're going to look at the number right here. If it's a 5, how many dots are you going to fill in? You're going to fill in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it's 4, what are you going to do? And then the next one is living and non-living. So you are going to, okay, so this one you're going to click on this little hand so you can drag and drop. So you can drag over, is it a living item or a non-living item? Well, a soccer ball, is it living or non-living? All right, it's non-living, so it's going to go in the non-living box. Okay, so if it breathes, grows, or changes, it goes over here in the living, and otherwise it goes in the non-living. Okay, great job. I'm going to go back to my agenda. Okay, and then we had lunch, and then we practiced what it takes to be a good friend. Okay, good job today, you guys. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 8:15.